Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Sichamba Jacob. Alright, so we've been given this question right here. They want us to find the angles, these three angles. And they've only given us 22 degrees here. So to answer this question, we need to understand the properties under circle theorem. We'll only discuss two of them which are important to guide us answer this question. Let's check out the properties. So there are two properties that we need for this specific question. This segment, I've shaded the segment. The triangle, for as long as it touches the circumference and it's formed inside the circle, the angle which is here will be equal to the angle which will be right here. If this is 40 degrees, this is also 40 degrees because they are coming from the same segment right here. You see, from here it goes, here it goes, just like that. The next property which we need is right over here. A triangle that is formed inside the circle and it passes through the center. This side of the triangle is always 90 degrees. For as long as it's passing through the center, this is 90 degrees. So when you've been given this angle, to find the angle here, you just need to add this angle plus this angle. The sum of these two angles, you subtract from 180. This is because we know that the sum of all the angles inside the triangle add up to 180. So if you have understood those two properties, let's try now to answer this question. Okay, so upon checking, I think you've realized and by now you're able to answer the question because those properties are applicable on this question. So the first question, which is question A, we're going to say question A, applying the first property, the answer is 22 degrees. Angle BAC. BAC, we are looking for this angle. It's 22 degrees also. Remember the property which says that angle is coming from the same segment. You can see this is a segment. So it goes like this, touches the circumference. This also goes like that, touches the circumference. So these two angles are equal to each other. For question B, they want us to find angle CBD. CBD. We are looking for this angle right here. We are going to say 180 degrees, which is the sum of all the angles, 1, 2, 3, minus. Remember property number 2, we said this is 90 degrees. This is because we've got a triangle inside here. You see, it's passing through the center. There is a center here, O. This is a center. Keep it in your mind that this is center O. So it's passing through the center. This is 90 degrees. So we're going to add 90 plus 22. And we subtract from 180. It means we've gotten this angle here. So this will be 90 degrees plus 22 degrees. So this is giving us 180 degrees minus 112 degrees when we add these two. And we are getting a 68 degrees. Our answer is 68 degrees. Let's go to the last question where we need to find angle ACO. ACO. We are looking for this angle here. So to find this angle, we are first going to find an angle right here. So this angle is 68 degrees. Because this is 68 degrees, according to question B, this is 68 degrees. And using property number 1, this is a segment right here. So the chord which is passing here, this angle is coming from the same segment as this other angle. So they are equal to each other. Therefore, we can calculate this angle here. And when we calculate this angle, we come and subtract 22. Because this is an isosceles triangle, the smaller one here, because they are all going to the center, these sides, this side and this side. Meaning this is a radius and this is a radius. So the angle which will be formed here will be equal to the angle which will be formed right over here. So now, let's find the angle here. We are going to say, this is question C, 180 degrees minus 112 degrees. I mean minus 68, sorry, 68. Now, why am I doing this? It's because I want to subtract this 68 degrees from 180 and find this angle, or find the sum of this angle plus this angle right here. Because the sides here are equal to each other, which entails us that we are dealing with an isosceles triangle. So the angle here is equal to the angle here. You can see these signs. They mean this side is equal to this, this angle is equal to this angle. So when we subtract this, we are going to get 112. So this 112 is the sum over this angle plus this angle. To get one angle, which is this one, I'm going to divide by a 2. And when I divide by a 2, I'll get a 56 degrees. So 56 is for this angle. Now I want this part. I know that this small angle here is a 22 degrees. So I'll just say 56 minus 22 degrees. And this, of course, is giving me a 34 degrees. This is my answer. Or this is how we are supposed to answer this question. Thank you so much for watching. Please share the video and remember to subscribe. If you want online tuitions, the number that you can contact us on is this one right over here. Thank you and bye-bye.